thanks for watching this video on gold futures. This is generally a continuous pattern showing the price movement of gold. You know very well, I think you know better than me, how futures work. If you don't, please do not invest in this market, in this business, on this market, because it's very complicated. They have deadlines. You should buy before the end of deadlines, otherwise you can end up buying some piece of gold, piece, I mean, whatever you're gonna buy, I don't know, but it's important that you know how the futures work before investing into it. So today we are gonna compare quickly, just using very simple technical analysis tools, the gold and silver, and let's see what are both of them, how they are behaving, and if we can predict the next step of these futures. So using a very simple exponential moving average with the length of 300, we are able to find a very nice trend line, and as we can understand, since the beginning of 2019 the stock just started going up. This is when the news of the virus went viral, so everybody knew about it, and then it kept going up, reaching almost $2,100, and now it seems that it's just in the price retracement stage. So to me, based on very simple just technical analysis and just using the most trustworthy tools, it's one only, the most trustworthy tool between many tools of technical analysis, we got that in a very nice clean trend line. So we understood that the price is moving forward, so it's a bullish market, and when we got in this situation with the bullish market, the idea would be to go long. So now my technical analysis interpretation of this stock looks like that. So the blue line is the major trend, the red line is trend line, the red line is a trend line, and the trend line is almost parallel to the exponential moving average line, so it's good news. Now there are two options right there, what can happen next. So first option is that we got possible support level of $1,800. It means that the stock is gonna test, or is gonna touch this exponential moving average line before going up again, or if this exponential moving average will be broken in the next weeks. First of all, it has to be seen as weakness signal of the market, so it's a warning for us traders. And perhaps what can happen next is that the prices will keep going down up to this new support level of $1,700. So those two options are feasible, are viable, and in conclusion, before the idea is to go long, because you would like to go long, would like to follow the bullish trend, there is only one option, and hold for now, wait at the end of this price retracement, be sure that we have found a new support. Once we are sure about this new support, the idea will be to go long. As we are right now, it's too risky to go short, because we are going short in a bullish trend. The idea, let's try not to waste our money. It's too risky, let's not waste money in going short in a bullish trend. The idea would be always to go long, following the major trend. The major trend is a bullish trend. This is more an investment for long-term investment. No, it's not for intraday, of course, investment, but it's more for weeks or months investment. So we are expecting in the next months perhaps the gold can go up again to $2,100, but only if this support level of $1,700 will not be broken. If this one will be broken in the next days, the next actually months, we should keep holding. So that's why it's now too tricky to get into it. Just hold for now. Now let's go quickly to compare the gold future with the silver future, and this is how the silver future looks like. So first of all, this is a continuous, so that's why it's a continuous pattern, but you know that there are silver futures, there are many, I don't recall how many per year, but there are many per year, so that's why I told you just get confident with this type of market, this type of market before investing into it. So silver is moving more sideways behavior, so the exponential moving average does not help us a lot, but it's just defining the middle point of this channel. So prices has been moving between 22 and then 28. Generally a wider channel can be seen between $22 and 30 US dollar. So now the next target price can be exactly 30 US dollar can be the next target price, and but only if the idea is not to go long now, just to wait at the end of this price retracement before going long. Even also the stochastic seems ready to go up, but I would not consider the stochastic in this case, because only the stochastic as signal is not helping us a lot. But as you can see, each 3 months when there are those high volumes, because I believe it's the end of one of the future. So that's why, guys, this is 4 months, 1 to 3 months. Yes, just please be aware when the futures end. And then it's gonna impact, or it's gonna impact on the global behavior of this stock. And going back to the gold, as you can see again, all those high volumes is when the future start or ends. So that's why it's important to know again how those futures work. Now, quick comparison. As I told you, this is the golden, this is the orange price movement, it's the silver, and the other one, the green and red, it's the golden. As I was telling you, the golden seems having more bearish behavior. Why? Because we are in this retracement stage, while the golden is moving more in a sideways behavior, and perhaps started a new rally. But because those two have been moving almost in the same way since last year, perhaps what can happen is that the silver might go down, while this is one option, the silver might go down, while the gold can go up in a way that those two they're gonna behave almost in the same way. So this is a signal that is telling us that something can happen soon. I mean, when I say soon, in the next months, because it's a long-term investment. And there is that two options, is that the silver that will start going down rather than going up, and the gold will go up just to find a common point between silver and gold. So now it can happen that the gold will go up, reaching out with just catching up with the silver, or vice versa. Silver will start going down to reach the gold behavior, but something there is happening, and this gap should be closed, should be closed sooner or later, should be filled sooner or later. So something there might happen in the next months. So it seems that the silver would like to go up. So if the silver would like to go up, I think that also the golden will keep going up. But if the golden will go down, I think that the silver will follow the golden a little bit. So also the silver will go down. But as we are right now, both of them, even if this one is more a sideways behavior, but we are in a bullish trend situation, and the idea is always, theoretically, the idea is always to hold before going long, because we are moving inside the channel. So it's when there is no trend, the best option is always to hold. But in conclusion, both of them, they are especially gold is behaving, is having a bullish trend. So the idea would be to go long, while silver will be wait, because it's moving inside the channel. But something has to happen sooner or later, because the gap has to be filled. And again, it can be that the gold will start going up to catch up with the silver. This is most likely option based on the previous charts, or the other option may be that less likely that will happen, is that the silver will start going down, catching up with the gold. But I don't think that the silver is ready to go down, because the silver seems to be in this bullish behavior right now, and also apologies about that, and also the gold the gold is in the price retracement, so the gold should go up, but again, just be sure that this support level first and this second support level will not be broken in the next days. And as I told you before, if this exponential moving average will be broken, it means it's gonna give us a very a weakness signal of this future. So the idea will be just hold and do not go long. But I mean, this one is just a signal of weakness. We got still a plan B that even if this exponential moving average will be broken, there is this new support level 1,700 US dollar that defines the possible trend line. It's a tentative trend line because generally this slope has been tested only twice. To be a proper trend line, it has to be tested 3 times. Because this one has a different slope from this one, we cannot define this trend line, the slope of this trend line, as proper one, but it's more a tentative trend line. So again, in conclusion, the idea would be the idea would be to go long for the gold, but just wait the end of this price retracement. And silver as well would be to go long, but again, because it's moving inside the channel, the best option would be to hold, because the prices really can break up easily this 25.5 possible support, and then the gold can go down, going down to reach the silver, to reach the gold level. So perhaps this is most likely option that the silver will go down to catch up with the gold level right now, and then they will start moving again, perhaps following the same behavior. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I think it was easy understanding of these two futures. But again, in conclusion, the idea for a gold is to go long, just wait the end of this price retracement, and silver it's wait because price is moving inside the channel, and there might be an opportunity to go long if this possible support level will not be broken. Thanks.